Hi guys, welcome to Oliveboard. I hope all of you are well. Today is a new day and I have come up with a new word in the series called Word of the Day. So every day I give you a new word, its meaning and its usage in different sentences. Apart from that, I also give you the synonyms and antonyms of the given word. So today is day 30 of the series. You can find the previous videos in a playlist that has been created for you. This series will be beneficial since it will help you enhance your vocabulary and it will also help you if these same words come up in the exams that you are preparing for. So, let us look at today's word. Today's word is frivolous. The meaning of the word frivolous is behaving in a silly way and not taking anything seriously. So I'll repeat the meaning. The meaning is behaving in a silly way and not taking anything seriously. Now, we'll try to understand this word frivolous better with the help of a sentence. So, the sentence that is given to us says, I think he sees her as a frivolous young woman. So, I think he sees her as a carefree young woman. Frivolous here means carefree and behaving in a silly way. Now, let us look at the synonyms and antonyms of the given word. The synonyms can be silly, giddy, or vacuous. The antonyms, on the other hand, can be sensible, serious, or practical. Now, guys, we'll try to understand this word frivolous with the help of Hindi. So, we'll use the language Hindi and translate the sentence that was given to us in Hindi in order to understand this word frivolous better. So the sentence that was given to us was, I think he sees her as a frivolous young woman. जब हम इसे हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करते हैं तो ये सेंटेंस कहता है कि मुझे लगता है कि वो उसे गैर गंभीर या लापरवाह वुमेन समझता है. सो यहाँ पर फ्रिवलस का मतलब है गैर गंभीर या लापरवाह होना. So guys, we have used both the languages Hindi as well as English in order to understand this word frivolous. I hope you liked the video. Like the video, share it with your friends, and for more such content, stay tuned to Oliveboard. Thank you and have a nice day.